Hey there folks, today I'm going to be talking about this little plastic disc that comes with a lot of socket and ratchet sets. Now, until today I had no idea what these were for, and I always threw them out because I had no use for them. So to give you a clue, this is a 3/8 drive square. Now, what it is called is a spin disc or a ratchet spin disc. So it's actually pretty clever what it does. You're going to take your 3/8 drive ratchet and put it on the end of it like that, and then you're going to grab any extension bar and socket that you require, and when you're ratcheting, you're going to ratchet as normal, and then this will actually help you spin it nice and easy, and you can go loosening or tightening. Now we're going to show you on a bolt real quick to show you how it performs. Alright, so we just have a random bolt here in our vise to demonstrate for you guys. So again, this is our setup, this is what it looks like. Now this is especially a handy tool if you have a very tight space and you don't want to be ratcheting back and forth because you don't have a lot of movement. You're going to put your socket on the end of the nut or bolt that you need to remove, and you simply tighten it down. And you give it a final tighten the normal way. Then when you need to loosen it off, you're going to loosen as you normally would. And same deal, you're just going in reverse. Nice and easy. And it's got these little gripped edges on them, these little grooves, so you can grip them with your fingers. So this is just a fairly cheap ratchet. It came with a $10 kit, as you can see. I do mean cheap. So they often come with this if you have just a rounded edge here. Now, if you buy something like this Craftsman here, you'll see it has the spin disc built into the top here. So now we'll demonstrate with this. It's the same idea, except I'm working on the top here. Tighten it up, and then when you go to loosen, same thing. Pop it to loosen. Nice and easy. So it all depends. They have different variations, but these two different ratchets with spin discs will do the exact same task. So that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.